Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your POCO C85. Okay, we have two methods how we can reset our POCO. Let me show you both of them. So the first method is through the settings. Simply open up the settings, scroll down, click on About Phone, and select Factory Reset. In here, all we need to do is to simply click on Erase All Data. That's the button down below. Remember that everything will be permanently erased from your device. That's how the factory reset works. And why is it even worth to perform a factory reset? Let's say that you are selling your device because you have bought a new one, and for a potential client, it's simply better to sell an already resetted phone with no personal data, and that is why it's worth to perform a reset. And also, even the reset can help, for example, when your device is lagging so much and nothing else helps. Sometimes performing a factory reset can help with it. So now click on Erase All Data. After that, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing that you need to do is to set it up. When it comes to the second method, it's through the recovery mode, and this method is recommended basically when we cannot perform the first method, or for example when the device is lagged, frozen, or when it's unresponsive. So to perform it, power off your device first, click the power button and volume up button, and now select power off. Now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. When the POCO logo appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. Let me show you. So keep holding both of the buttons first. When the device vibrates, you can release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up, just like that. We can see that the POCO logo appeared on the screen already. So let's keep holding. And now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys, just like that. Now select Wipe Data, click the power button. Again, select Wipe All Data, click power button, select Confirm, click the power button, and now the process has started. It won't take long, so don't worry. It should be done after a few seconds. Okay, data wiped successfully. Select back to main menu, click the power button, and now select the reboot. And reboot to system. And now all we need to do is to simply wait until the phone turns on, and the next step is setting up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.